Hello everyone. In the previous session, we have discussed some tags in HTML and attributes in HTML. So in this session, we'll discuss HTML formatting. So we'll create a new page, index3.html. So let us write the page structure. We can also use the shortcut for writing the page structure, HTML:5. So we got the HTML page structure. So we can also change the title, HTML formatting. Okay. So now first we'll discuss what is HTML formatting. So HTML formatting means basically it is the process of formatting the text to give the better look. It is the process of formatting the text to give the better look to the HTML elements. So basically, if we want to style something, we have to use the CSS. But using this formatting element, up to some extent, we can style the elements. Like we can highlight the text, or we can make it the bold text. All those things we can do using HTML formatting. So to do all the things, we have formatting elements. Okay. So let us discuss HTML formatting elements. Okay. So for example, we have bold, B tag. Okay. So B means it is bold. Okay. It is used to represent the bold text. For example, we will take any paragraph. So let us take P. So here I will write, I am bold text. Okay. So now let us run this page in the browser. So to run this page from here, we can click on the run and you guys can select run without debugging. You can select any browser which you would like to work. Okay. So now here we got, right, HTML formatting, and then so whatever we have given, so here we are getting. So now to view our files, we have to go to view and click on the Explorer. Okay. So now here you guys see here, by default, the paragraph will be coming normal. It is not bold. Suppose now, if you want to make this line in bold, so we can use B tag. So whichever the text you want to make the bold. For example, I wanted to make entire text in the bold. So you can do one thing. We can add this text inside the B tag. Okay. So save it and refresh. So let us refresh. Now you guys see here, this text we are getting in bold letters. Okay. So what is the use of B tag? Basically, it is used to draw the user's attention. Suppose you guys see here, suppose I'll highlight this HTML elements using B tag. Okay, so go there. Here HTML elements is there, right? We'll add this text inside the B tag. So let us refresh. Now you guys see here in this paragraph, this HTML elements, these words are highlighted. Okay, so basically this is the use of a bold tag. So now we have strong. Okay, so strong means, okay, if you add strong to any text, it means it has greater importance. Okay, so let us add strong. Suppose I will add here, I am important text. Suppose you add any text. Okay, so now I am adding for this important word strong. So it means this word has more importance. So whenever you feel that something is more important and you have to highlight also, then we can use strong tag. Okay, this is just for the browser. So let us refresh the page. Now you guys see here, we got this word in a bold. Okay, it is coming in the bold and also it is an important text. Okay, it is not only for the visibility bold, it is to mention that it is an important text. Okay, so that is the use of strong. Then we have I tag. So basically, I means suppose anytime if you want to make any text in italics, okay, we can use I tag. So let us make here, I am italic text. Okay, so now here, so let us add this, whichever the word. Suppose you wanted to add the all words italics or only you want to make this in italics. So then you can add here I tag. Okay, open I and close I. So now this word will come in italics. Okay, so now you guys see here, we are getting this word in italic letters. So that is the use of I tag. So now we have EM. So EM means it is for important text. So we can say emphasized text. It means the text which has more importance and you wanted to display in italics, then we can add the text in EM tag. Okay. So for example, the text which has more preference. Okay, so then we can add this inside the EM tag. Suppose you feel that this word is more important for you. Okay, so then we can add this one EM. Okay, so this will be coming in italics. Okay, along with that, it means it is an important text. It has more preference. Okay, any text you add inside the I tag and any text you add inside the EM tag. So the text inside the EM tag has more importance. Okay, so these are the EM. This is about EM. So now let us discuss mark. Okay, so guys, mark element, it is used to highlight the text. Okay, so for example, if you want to highlight the text, so we can use mark element. So here I will use I am highlighted text. Okay, suppose you want to highlight some word. Okay, suppose I'll write different text. I got milk today. Okay, so now for example, here the milk. Okay, we are talking about the milk, so we can highlight the milk word. So here we can add this mark. Okay, so just let us refresh. So now you guys see the word which we added inside the mark tag is highlighted with the yellow background color. So wherever you feel that you want to highlight this text, so then you can use mark. Okay, so now we will discuss about INS. So guys, INS means it is inserted text in the document. Okay, so now let us keep any word in the INS tag. I am inserted text. So let us add this inserted word in INS tag. Okay, so by default, when we use INS tag, the browser underline the inserted text. Like wherever we use the INS tag, that will be highlighting with the underline. So let us refresh. So now we got here the text with underline. Okay, basically it is the inserted text. Same like this, we have DEL. Okay, so DEL means deleted text. Okay, so whenever we use the DEL text, DEL tag, okay, so a line through the text will come. Suppose I will just add here for this text DEL. Okay, so let us refresh the page. Now you guys see here, we got the line through the text. So this is the use of DEL. Wherever it means it is a deleted text from the document. Okay, doesn't have much importance. So now, for example, if you take, suppose you are buying some item in online. The original price of the product is, for example, 500. Okay, and discounted price of this product we got from 300. Suppose after discount, the product price is 300. So in that case, what we can do? So we cannot add like this, right? This is the discounted price and this is the original price. No one will get to know. So now for this original price, we can add inside the DEL tag. Okay, so that the line through the text will come. So let us refresh. Go here. Now you guys see here, this is the original price of the product and this is the discounted price. We see in many websites like Amazon and Myntra. So whatever the e-commerce websites. Okay. So the original product price. Okay. And you want to make it discounted price also. Then for the original price, we will add the DEL tag. Okay. So now this is about DEL. Now we have subscript. SUB. Subscripted text. So guys, suppose you want to display some text in subscript to the another text. For example, let us take H2O. H2O means in chemistry, it is a formula, right? Of formula of water. So now here, 2 should be subscript to the H and O. Okay. So in that case, we can add 2 in the SUB tag. Okay. So let us refresh and see the output. So now you guys see here, 2 is subscript to the H and O. Okay. So that is the use of SUB tag. So not only here, anywhere in a line or heading also, if you want to make any text like subscripted, then we can use SUB tag. So SUB, okay, open and close here. Let us refresh the page. So now you guys see here, this word is also like this text is coming subscript to this SUB. So now we have superscript. So now SUP. Okay, SUP means basically superscript. Okay, it will be coming little up. Superscript to the text. So now, for example, if you want to display a square. Okay, so now this 2 should be superscript to the A. So then we have to add 2 in the SUP tag. Okay, so now let us refresh the page. Okay, so A square, 2 is superscript to the EA. So now we also have one more element that is included in HTML5 formatting elements, that is small. Guys, small means it represents smaller text. Okay, so now let us add, for example, in paragraph, we'll add I am smaller text. Okay, so now for this smaller text also, we will add inside the small tag, small. Okay, and also For this also, we will add inside the small. So how it works, small element. Suppose when we added inside the heading tag, so based on this heading size, this is coming little smaller. Same thing when we add inside the paragraph. So based on this, it is coming little smaller. Okay, that is how it works. Based on the element size, it will be coming a little smaller. Same like this, we have big tag in HTML, but it is not included in HTML5, but it works. Okay, so let us see here. I'll just make this big. Instead of small, I will add here big element. Okay, see here, it is not there in HTML5. That's why we are getting in a red color text. Okay, but the output will work. So HTML is not very strict language. Sometimes it will work. Sometimes you miss closing tag in rare cases. Doesn't mean in every line you miss the closing tag. In some places, if you miss the closing tag and all, it may work. But when you are creating the bigger projects and all, okay, it may create issues. So we have to organize the code properly. So now let us refresh the page. So now you guys see here, compared to this one, this is coming little bigger. Same here, compared to this word is coming little bigger. So these are the HTML formatting elements, like HTML5 formatting elements. Okay. So in the coming class, we'll just introduce about CSS. Okay. And yeah, we'll discuss about CSS. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching.